In this video, I will show you how to convert ungrouped data into grouped data. Now, data could be qualitative in nature or quantitative in nature. I will first show you how to convert qualitative data, ungrouped data, into grouped data. So here's an example. My variable is country. So I have data about countries of my customers. So I have 200 customers and I have the data on the countries from which my customers come from. Now it's ungrouped. So if I wanted to know, oh, how many customers do I have from Philippines or from Australia, I cannot tell by looking at this data easily. I'll have to group them by countries. So at the end of the grouping process, I should have the country and the frequency of that country. So how many times Philippines appears, how many times India appears, and so on. So what we have to do is we have to make sure we have accounted for every country, and then we have computed the frequency of number of customers for each country. And then if I add all these frequencies up, I should get 200 because I have a total of 200 customers. Okay. Now, so the first job is to get all the countries that are here. Now, that could be a little difficult, especially if you have lots of data. One way is to sort them by country, and then we can just go down the list. So if we sort it, now if I just go down the list, I type Australia, go to the next one, Bangladesh, Canada, and so on, then by the time I've reached the bottom, I will have every country. So I've already done this homework for you for this video, so I don't have to waste time. So those are all the countries. So now I just need to get the frequency. So in Excel, is there an easy way to get a frequency? Yes, there is. There's a function called countIf. So count the number of records if the country is Australia. So count where? Here's the range. In this range, how many times Australia appears? So the criteria is the value of this cell, B6. So 31 times. So let's check. Australia. Yeah, 31. The next one is Bangladesh. And I have 3 of Bangladesh. So now I can copy this formula from here down here to get Bangladesh. But there'll be a slight problem. Actually, I can do this and you can see it's 3. Even though I got the correct answer, it's not entirely correct because it is looking at this range B6 to B205. If I copy this down, I may get the right answer for Canada because Canada appears way down here. It is not affected by the fact that I have not selected the entire range. So it's not a good idea to let it go even if the answer is correct. So how do you fix this problem? I don't want B5 to become B6, so I put a dollar sign there. I don't want B204 to become B205, so I put a dollar sign there. I want D6 to become D7, so I don't put a dollar sign there. Now I can copy this. Now I have the right frequency, so if I sum these up, I should get 200 because that's how many customers I have. 200. So that's how we convert ungrouped data into group data. Once I have the group data, now I can draw a chart of frequencies, a frequency chart. So that's the end of this video on how to convert a qualitative ungrouped data into grouped data.